All right, let's now take a look at pod to service networking. So here's our diagram. It looks very similar, but the key difference here is we have this element called IP tables, and this is being linked via a service. Now, the way we can represent this as an architectural diagram varies, and you're going to see in the next slide when we're talking about ingress egress that I've done it slightly different, and it's because I looked at so many architectural diagrams and there's just no consistency. So I figured I'd do some variation here just so that you can conceptually still understand what is going on and the placement of things. So when a pod dies, its IP address changes, and this can make communication hard if you're relying on the IP address for communication, right? So if this pod dies, the IP address is going to change, right? So a service creates a virtualized IP, a static IP, so over here, and then uses IP tables. So IP tables is over here, which is installed on the node, right? So lives on the node, not in a pod, to do NAT, so network address translation and load balancing to other pods. And that's pretty much all there really is to it. That's all there is, okay?